Hello everybody, so I have this tank. I'm about to do a project with it, but it has all this calcium buildup on it from its previous use. I've done scraped this front pretty much clean. As you can see through it. I just figured I might show you guys a quick little video on what I was doing. Honestly, all I do is take a razor blade. You probably should find one something like this so you don't chance cutting yourself, but this one was all rusty on me and I can't find my new blades, so I am using a razor blade. And you just gotta apply pressure, not like a whole lot, but you know, quite enough, and it will come off. And then I'm gonna rinse it out afterwards. So I'm gonna go ahead and finish this and jump back in once I get it done. Alright everybody, as you can see, I got it all scraped clean pretty much. All it really needs is a good rinse out, and it will be ready to go for the project, except for that side is painted and I'm gonna scrape it off. That's the plus side about acrylic paint. You can just scrape it off the same way. It even almost will come off just with your fingernail, but obviously a razor will help me get that, you know, off quicker. Alright everybody, as you see, I got that black scraped off. Now I'm gonna go rinse it out. Let you see it all purdied up just from scraping, no vinegar. Alright everybody, she is clean, like brand new. Now this is the part, if you're a perfectionist and you need to go back and get every little spot, then it will show through after you rinse it off. Me, for the project I'm about to use it on, I'm not worried about it. And speaking of that project, that's not part of this video, so be sure to hit the notification bell, subscribe, and like this video, and shortly after will be the idea I'm gonna be using this tank for.